So how
Like,
you feel these days while speaking?
what? Sorry. What did
These
you?
days speak English. So how you feel comfortable? Yeah.
Yeah, I feel very, very comfortable, and I'm enjoying when I speak to anyone. I am enjoying just.
I see you.
Every day around 12, I get free every day now. And as soon as I get free, I just send message in a group.
Yeah, but I got your message both side in WhatsApp, in Skype.
Yeah, because I didn't get any reply na in WhatsApp group, so immediately I send message in this group because I don't want to waste my single time.
Yeah. Okay,
Yes.
so, like apart from talking to people, what you do extra for improving your English? Because I can see your English improve a lot, confidence, each and everything. So how you did each and everything? Share your experience.
When I don't talk to anyone, then yes, I only watch English conversational videos. Many YouTubers are uploaded their videos, so I only watch that. And yes, apart from this, and I talk with people. And apart from this, I didn't do anything this time. I only
Only
watch and speak. Yeah, only
listening
two.
and speaking.
Yes. Because everything I did in the past, but I was not what I can say. I was not started conversation like speaking part. So now I am only giving focus to speaking.
Yeah, speaking is very important. If you know, so in the beginning, it happened means everyone faced little problem when they start speaking. So I also faced when I started, but now I'm comfortable. You are comfortable. Only do 1 month practice and comfortable in this language. Speaking practice.
In the starting, if we start anything, then at the initial time we get, because we don't have knowledge, that's why we have less confidence. But after some time we get lots of experience, knowledge about the things, so we get a confidence. Yes, and day by day, if you talk to anyone in daily basis, if you are making 2-3 calls in a day, that is also sufficient. Yes, it will be good if you will make more conversation, but 2-3 session is also sufficient for
Yeah, these days I only take in date only 2 session and a conversation audio call. I try to more. Otherwise, video call not too much.
Yes. I also, from the day when I joined to WhatsApp group, like audio call, then from that day, most of the time I am available on that group, because every time it is not possible to make video call.
Yes, you are right. On audio call, we are doing our housework and we just talk to someone. So it's easy. Like these days, cold winter season, so we just lay on bed and just talk to someone. So
Yes. How is weather there? Still, is it cold?
cold.
Yes. And you know what happened here? We were feeling very hot. But from today, weather is suddenly changed, and it is little cloudy today. Yes.
Okay.
So again, we just packed our jackets, everything, and in Almira, and again we again we what I can say. Uh,
Again, we
I, yes. Take out.
take out. Like I didn't pack. Think on March month. After March month, I will pack each and everything like wash and pack because I have kids, so I have lots of clothes, winter clothes, lots of winter clothes. Means two almirah I packed in only cloth.
Winter cloth is, winter cloth captures lot of place. It
Place.
captures lot of places.
Yes.
And yeah, and you visited also somewhere. I saw your status, and by seeing your status, I felt very nice. No, I was very excited. I also want to go there.
Okay, you must go. You know, these days I also in Kashmir and Simla Manali started snowing, snowfall. My Dee was there in Kashmir, so she said, "Ki you come again. Here again it started a snowfall." So I said, "No, no, 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 I not come again. I will not come."
Your younger son was looking very cute when I saw him. I think he's a younger or elder. I don't know, but he is looking very small.
Yeah,
So just
you know, younger one is only 4 year old.
okay, okay. This is he was your younger son, and he was looking that picture is very natural. You know, his expression, everything is very natural. What did you eat? Like when everywhere there is a snowing, there was a snowing. So what?
I listen. What did you get there? So that's why I eat. You know, I ate there paratha and Maggie. There was everywhere a very nice Maggie. So I ate Maggie and paratha only ghee paratha. I don't know. It's very heavy. You know, because there was too much cold. So,
Yeah,
so I
that's what I'm asking.
I climbed, you know, mountain. We just went short short way. Like so, we all climb on snow. Oh my God, it was very nice experience. I
Yeah.
go there because you are these days you alone with like you and your husband, so you just go and enjoy.
Yes, yes. I also I also show your status to my husband. Like somewhere I make generally conversation with her. This time she has gone to that place, so we will also go.
In this year, this year no snow in January. There was no snowfall in January. Like last February, I went. No, no, sorry. I went last January. Sorry, I went last January. So last January started snowfall in Simla, Manali, and Kashmir also.
So okay, then it is the view is become very nice when we visit in January month, because in January month for like
In
falls.
this there was no snowfall. You know,
Okay, okay.
and I don't know. Everyone say ki last year very snowfall was in January. So in this in this year I went Simla in 1st January. So I couldn't get there snow.
Okay, okay, okay.
So I
Wow.
yeah, I'm not seeing a snowfall. I was saying with my husband. So he said, okay, no problem. I will take you Kashmir.
Oh, that became good for you. That became good for you because Shimla, when we visit, whenever we visit Shimla and there is no snowfall, then we cannot enjoy that much what we expect. Yes. So it is good that you visited to Kashmir, and that is wonderful. I show your status.
Really, you know. I say to everyone, must visit Kashmir. It's a so beautiful place, and you know, I have little kids, so I face little problem. Like they, my started, Mama, I started calling. So if anyone alone, like they newly married, so
Yes.
therefore,
It's good place for couples only.
yes,
Otherwise, if we bring kids with us, then we will face problem.
they if they elder like 10 year olds up to 10 year olds, so that's very good. You know, little
Yeah,
kids they face problem like
yeah.
because
Yes. 10 years, 10, 12 years, then they will also enjoy, na? But
Yeah,
below 10 kids, they will not enjoy.
a little, After some time, they started crying. My younger one enjoyed a lot in the beginning, and sometime after some time, he started crying. Mama, I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. I say, just you run. So yeah, it was a good experience. So where you visited in last 3 months? I think I didn't talk with you, na, last 2 months.
Yes, yeah, last 2 months in starting January, we were connected. That was my first call in video call, and after some time we connected in a audio call only for a few time last month, I think. Yes, yes.
So,
Hmm.
how many YouTubers did you send message? Like I want.
Yes, initially I did many conversation with in Skype group. There are many YouTubers are there. So yes, uh, lots of
How many YouTuber you send email message? Like,
email.
yeah, first,
I didn't send, I didn't send to anyone. I only send you.
okay.
Before you, I sent two, three YouTubers, but I didn't get reply from them because this time they are very busy. But you replied me, na? So I made conversation with you. After that, I joined this group, this Skype group, and there are lots of YouTubers. So I don't need to send any message. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yes.
107 YouTubers there. Means
Yes.
participate.
Yes. Yes.
So there are lots of member every time anyone free. So yeah, we have not need to go to drop message and send to anyone
Yes, because
particular.
now we all are in this group, so it is no need. But earlier, I always thinking about that. Let's send message to any YouTubers. I just wait for their reply. And when two three people they also replied me, but that time I was not available. So that's why we couldn't make conversation. But when I sent you message, immediately you replied me, and that time I was available. Nah. And after that, I joined this group. So yes, now everything is, everything is became easy now.
Yes.
Yes. For connecting, if I want to connect with anyone, then it gets very easy now.
Yes, so I won't suggest to like people if anyone watch our video, so they can drop any YouTuber to message, like not me particular, any YouTuber. So if they talk first and second time to anyone first time, so they just join. They will join to these groups. This group is very helpful to us. If you
Yes.
want language like English language, so they get environment very easy. No need to send message and then wait or like ma'am reply, and they give a time tomorrow and after tomorrow, so we have just presented that we will to present that time, so we not need in this each and everything.
Yes. Yes. It
Because
became very
one time we have to take one step, just send to message to anyone, and let's just start our journey, speaking
yes. Yes.
journey.
And already I told you, if we start anything, then initially we don't have we hesitate
Yes.
initially, but after making one or two conversation, automatically you will feel free. Your hesitation went outside. Yeah.
And we feel happy. I have to talk, like energetic also we feel. So it's a good.
Every people they want to talk in English. So if they get this kind of platform now, so everyone they feel happy and everyone want to speak.
Yes, right. We have not, want everyone want to speak. What they don't get environment. Just think they are thinking how we connect. In beginning, I also thought this, how I
Yes.
connect to some, what I do, then I get environment, and what I do so I can talk with anyone. So like I don't know everyone feel like this, but I in initially day I felt like this.
Yes. I also felt like this. Because writing and watching, listening, everything I have done from earlier, but speaking part was missing, so I need speaking. So
Yes,
if I
and
want to speak, then I need people.
I, speaking is very important.
If you want to be a good speaker, then we have to speak to people, na?
So main main part you or you was not doing.
Yes, yes, right. Yeah, and I know because I can notice on myself, like I started my speaking journey from January, na, from first week of January, and yes, I'm improving day by day. So if I consistently doing for a 6 month, so definitely I will be become a good speaker.
Okay, yeah, right, right.
Hmm.
Like
Only
last, yeah,
consistency is matter a lot.
consistency is very important. We do any work to inconsistent, so it's very fruitful for us. We just draw like I didn't talk 2 days to anyone. So today, when I start talk first time, so I feel little means uncomfortable. Now I am good because this is my second conversation. So consistency is very important. If you do any work,
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, and this is not our primary language. Then we have to connect at least two, three conversation. We have to make. Otherwise, again, if we start after 2 days or 3 days, and if we if we take gap for 2, 3 days, then again, if we start, then we think like this is our first conversation. We feel like this.